Hello, Matrix. What is statistics? Statistics is the study, the collection, analysis, interpretation, and organization of data. Also deals all the aspects of data, including the data collection, in terms of the design of the surveys and the experiments.
Hi guys! Now, there are two kinds of statistics. The first one is descriptive statistics. It is also known as enumerative statistics. It is a statistics where organized or summarizing the information is involved and used for the whole entire population. The second one is analytical statistics, aka inferential statistics, and it is also known for developing a confidence interval between the given data and inferring something about the whole population.
Random variable. The variable's value is subject to variations or differences due to chance. The random variable has a wide range of different possible values.
There are two kinds of distribution. The first one is continuous distribution. A random variable that does not have any points at which there is any distinct probability that the variable will be the corresponding number. An example of continuous distribution is such any measurable number or any decimal, such as meter and height, are examples of this. And the second one is discrete distribution. Data that assume certain discrete and quantized values, such as any number that is whole, and if data can be counted in a practical manner, such as 1, 2, and 3.
Good day, athletes! What is normal distribution? It is the probability distribution that plots all of its value in a symmetrical fashion, and most of the results are situated around the probability's mean. The standard normal distribution is an example of continuous probability function. Now this is the example of normal distribution. The properties of normal distribution. Number 1, the mean is equal to the median and is equal to the mode. Number 2, the mean is the center of the curve. Number 3, standard deviation is the length of the curve from one point to another. Lastly, but not least, number 4, symmetrical analysis.
Hello, Matrix. Now, this is the formula that we will use today. Now, the formula for standard or the z-score is x, which is the data minus the mean over the standard deviation, in which in this formula we will get the mean as a 0 and standard deviation as 1, such that the data that will be substituted to the x will be converted to a standard number for the standard normal distribution. Now, the probability distribution in getting the mean is equal to the summation of x times p of x. So all the values of the data where x is multiplied by the probability of x is being added all. Now the variance is equal to the summation of x squared times px minus q squared, or which is the mean. Now, standard deviation is just the square of the variance. So, here is an example of a table wherein we will compute the value of the mean, the variance, and the standard deviation. Now, first, for solving for mean, which means the summation of x times p of x. So, we will add all the values in x times p of x. So the values are 0 plus 1/2 plus 1/2, which is equal to 1. So the mean of this table is equal to 1. Now, for solving the variance, which is the summation of x squared times px minus u squared, wherein we will add all the values under x squared times px. So 0 plus 1/2 plus 1, which is equal to 1/1/2, which is also equal to 3/2. Now, u squared, since u is equal to 1, then 3/2 minus 1 squared is equal to 3/2 minus 1 is equal to 1/2. So the value of variance is equal to 1/2. Now, for solving standard deviation, we will just square root the value of the variance. Now, our variance is equal to 1/2, and then we will square it, and this is equal to the square root of 1 over the square root of 2, and equal to 1 over the square root of 2. Now, we'll simplify the value by multiplying the square root of 2 over the square root of 2, which is the square root of 2 over 2 is equal to 1. So there will be no changes in the value of 1 over square root of 2, which is equal to square root of 2 over the square root of 4, until we get the value of the square root of 2 over 2. So this is the value of standard deviation.
But they never wanna leave. Exes and the O's, they haunt me like ghosts. They want me to make them all. They won't let go. Exes and O's. I had a summer lover down in New Orleans, kept him warm in the winter, left him frozen in the spring. My mind, go by. I get high and I love to get low, so the hearts keep breaking and the heads just roll. You know, that's how the story goes. 1, 2, 3, they gonna run back to me, 'cause I'm the best baby that they never gotta keep. 1, 2, 3, they gonna run back to me. They always wanna come, but they never wanna leave. Except